Welcome to the ClearPath Knowledge Center. In this walkthrough, we'll take you inside the CP Smart 2.0, which is a powerful 3D viewer designed for doctors to modify, plan, and approve clear aligner treatments with precision. Once you open CaseLink from the dentist portal, where the ClearPath clinical team has shared your treatment plan, you'll view the complete setup in ClearPath's CP Smart 2.0 viewer. You will see a full 3D model of the patient's dentition. You can rotate, zoom, and inspect every angle. Toggle upper or lower arches or switch views for analysis. At the top left, you'll see the case ID for the selected patient case. Next to it is the RX button, where doctors can access all submitted treatment requirements. It includes complete case details, arches to be treated, the chief complaint, and step-by-step clinical instructions, which you, the doctor, has filled in the portal while submitting the case. From overbite and midline corrections to extraction notes and attachments, everything is clearly listed for reference. At the top right, you can view the total number of aligners required for the treatment plan. For instance, here you can view for upper jaw patient has 25 aligners, and for lower jaw patient needs 25 aligners. In dual view, you can see any two views of the arches simultaneously for better visual comparison. Overjet and measurements are disabled in dual view. In the settings panel, you can opt for dark mode option if you want. And besides that, you'll see that is doctor's name for quick reference. On the top left, you will find the View and Modify toggle. Right next to it, the Treatment Plan menu lets you view current, previous, and any modified plans, ensuring doctors always have access to all treatment plans. At the bottom, you'll find navigation tools. Use the plus and minus buttons to zoom, toggle between upper, lower, or both arches, and switch 3D model views: front, right, left, back, or occlusal. These tools make it easy to focus on specific details or get a complete overview of the case. Below the 3D model, you'll see the timeline or progress bar, which displays all treatment stages from start to finish. The moving dot shows which stage you're currently viewing. You can click and drag this dot to jump to any stage instantly. Use the play and pause buttons to automatically cycle through the stages, or use the step forward and step backward icons to move one stage at a time. This helps visualize how tooth positions change progressively throughout the aligner sequence. On the left toolbar, you'll find visualization tools that make alignment checks easier. Enable the grid overlay for accurate positioning. The grid lines remain fixed in place. Or turn on the symmetry line, which is movable for custom adjustments. You can adjust the symmetry line by holding Control and moving your mouse and then release to confirm. Scroll to zoom and reset any time to return to the default view. The measurement tool helps you take precise readings across any 2 points. Click once to mark the start and drag it to the end point, for example, from one incisor to another. Use Add to create new measurements or Clean to clear them. This lets you to verify spacing, measure any distance or movement. The collision tool shows where upper and lower teeth contact during treatment. Colored markers highlight close contact red for overlaps and for minor touches. By scrolling through aligner stages, you can visualize how interocclusal contacts change as teeth move. Use the Overjet and Overbite tool to analyze the horizontal and vertical relationship between the arches. Switch between the right and left sides for Overjet analysis. For exact measurements, use the Distance tool to measure the gap between upper and lower incisors, giving you a clear numerical value for Overjet or Overbite. The Bolton Analysis tool compares tooth size ratios between upper and lower arches in the initial state of dentition. It automatically calculates the anterior and overall Bolton ratios, helping doctors identify size discrepancies that affect alignment and occlusion. The instruction form outlines every step of the treatment plan, showing where IPR, attachments, and other auxiliaries are planned. You can resize the overlay with the scale control or adjust the opacity to view the 3D model underneath. On the right, you can see toggles where you can show or hide different elements such as Gingiva, Auxilaries, or IPR. The movement table provides detailed tooth data, Click any tooth to view its movement. You can also expand or collapse the movement table for a clearer view of the model while analyzing. Turn on Superimpose to compare positions between stages. In the right panel, the Patient Records section lets you view and compare patients' previously uploaded files. Below, the Notes section contains notes from treatment planning team and modification feedback from you. When you toggle the Modify switch, you enter a mode where you can make direct adjustments to the treatment plan yourself. To access Modify mode, make sure you're at the final stage of the CP Smart 2.0 simulation. Here, you'll see the Rotate and Translate tools. Simply select either one and click on any tooth to reposition it as needed. You can add, edit, or delete attachments, slits, cutouts, and even mark a tooth for extraction. Once your changes are complete, save them and click Modify at the bottom right of the screen. Here, you can also add notes detailing any specific changes you'd like to communicate. Click Approve to finalize the plan and move it into production. Every update is tracked, making collaboration easier between you and the ClearPath team. And that's how you use the CP Smart 2.0, a digital tool that gives you full control over every treatment plan and helps you visualize smile transformation from beginning to end. Thank you for watching. For any queries, reach out to support@clearpathortho.com.